Hi, I'm Vanessa from Cos Bar, and today we're gonna put some foundation on Liz. I like to use the Laura Mercier foundation primer because it leaves a little bit of a matte finish, so she's not too shiny, but her foundation will stay for her all day. And Liz has such pretty skin, and she's already prepped and primed with moisturizer. I like this Jenny Patinkin all over face brush. It's my favorite brush in the store for foundation. All right, Miss Liz is ready to go. This Tom Ford foundation stick is great because you can have all different kinds of coverage with it, from super full to very sheer. It's just all in the application. So I like to pick it up with the brush and then shear it out on my hand because Liz doesn't need a ton of coverage. And if you want to keep things a little bit more natural for her. And that's it, she's ready to go.